Tchan! Wow! Ang ganda! May ano naman. Ayan guys. Oh, yung malunggay ko. Ayan. Tapos yung tomato. Ah! Sorry. Yung ano, cherry. Yung look, under. Mayroon ng mga hinog ng cherry tomato guys. Kaya kukunin ng look. Cherry tomato.
Why is it yellow?
Cherry tomato.
Why is it yellow?
It's turn, yeah. It's ready to eat. It's ready to eat. Ready to harvest. Yan. Lemongrass. Yan. Moringa.
Wait for me.
Huh? It's right there below a lot. It's right here. Be careful.
Help me.
Be careful. Yun, oh, mayroon din akong malunggay na maliit, tanglad. At saka dito. Here. The one. Eggplant, okay. I got one inside. I harvest eggplant. Oh, here, put it. Put it. Okay. Belle, can you get some tomato right there?
I think I can get down.
Wala na, parang jungle na. Sobrang daming tomato, oh, guys.
I can get down there.
Hindi ko to siya tinanim, guys. Ano lang. Last year, yung maraming tomato dito. Tapos, nagtumubo lang siya. Oh, dami. Oh, oh. Look. Here. Alright, gi. Ah, tomato. Don't step my moringa. Kay, oh, moringa. Here. Come on, hold it. Come. Jungle. Na-jungle na ang backyard ni Mami kasi daming tomato. Belle, get that one, Belle. The one turn yellow, Belle. Tapos yan yung mga malunggay ko dyan, guys. Nandun sa gilid ng ano. Gilid. Tapos dyan yung ano ko, green beans, cucumber. Masarap. Nakaharvest ako ng 2 cucumber. Kinain ko gaya, guys. Ayan. Get the yellow one, ha? Kay earlier, this morning, I ate. It's really sweet. I ate some. Belle, there's more, Belle. Oh, there.
Right there?
Yeah.
I can't reach it. This?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then over there. There, behind, in your hand.
Uh-oh, I dropped it.
You drop it.
There's a bunch down there. I keep on dropping them.
If you drop it, it's okay. It will, next year, marami naman dito tutubo next year. Belle, it's still there, Belle, down, Belle, oh. Nang ano eh. Nakahiga na sila sa sobrang ano eh. Oh, nakahiga na. I'm coming. Moringa! Tumubo na si Moringa. Hmm? Chuk! Guwapa sa malunggay ay. Belle. My moringa. You step my moringa. Moringa. This one will I. Okay, this is very sweet and fresh. Here. Can you see here? Go there. I'm the one. Bakilid.
Don't push me.
You go there. I'm the one will go get it. Don't.
I want to do it.
Okay, you
I can't
video.
go
Hold the
back
phone.
out. I can't go back out.
Can you hold the phone?
No, I want to do it.
You wanna pick?
I want to do it, Mama.
Alright, here. Oh. Hold it. Nga na kay niyaka na ko diri. Dira oh. Ay, guwapa. Belle! Mo ba? Oh. Kagwapa, oy. Di oh. Tamis biya kay ni kanina binagi. Kuan ko bi. Gaon na ko ani. Tagulag tuslo sa salmon.
I see one.
Diyan pa nang higda na sa kuan ground kay. Be out. Yeah, what are you doing? Go look over there. Sigurado next year dami naman to dito ba? Tutubo kasi daming nangalaglag sa yuta. Hindi ko makuha kasi. Ano? Bakilid, wala kasing space eh. Ayaw ko na magtanim doon sa grass namin kasi masira eh.
There's a lot over here.
There's a lot.
Yeah, I just found a lot over here.
Where is it? Okay, be careful ha, kay ma-scratch ka.
Come
Sa
here.
bagay, wala naman diya ang roses. I already killed the roses there before. Last year there was a roses. Get it.
This one.
Mhm. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Sobrang init pa. You okay? It's okay. It's okay. There's no more. Let's go that side down. Babe, there's a big one there. Come on. Careful. Ito yung ano ko. May na-harvest na. Tapos kukunin ko na to kasi matamis man to. Kanina nag-try ako kumain. Ang sarap. Okay. Tapos yung sili. May bunga ka na sili.
No.
Begi, that one, but there is torn yellow. There. Okay, yeah, that one.
You're in my way.
Come on.
I see some.
Okay, get it.
Ew.
Oh, just throw that one. That one on. Go look down, par. Go look down.
I see a big red one, but it's mush.
Where?
Right there.
Get that one. Yeah, I threw that one. It was from the refrigerator. Get that one. You want me to do it? Give me.
Ew.
It's okay. I don't throw in there. Kaya mag-grow na po na dito sa grass. There's more down part.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's okay. Let's go kaya it's too hot. We'll do it later. Ayan, nag-harvest ako kanina isa. Tapos, dyan, yung ano ko, opo. Makakain kaya tayo ng opo? Opo at ampalaya. Ipaano ko yan sa... Ayan. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Malunggay. Tangkong. Okra, ang taba-taba ng okra.
Look, we got new birds.
Tapos, yun ang daming kamatis. Sino gusto magtanim? Tumutubo lang yan dyan kasi pang ano ba, pang tapon lang yung mga ano, green beans, cucumber, ano siya, nung malakas ang ulan, nangatumba. Nampalaya. Dito naman maraming sinong gusto magtanim ng tomato.
Money, money.
Where did you get that money? Put that back, please.
I'm gonna use it for shopping today.
No, put that back. Put that back, your mommy. Babe, where is the tomato that you throw it here? Don't throw it. That one there, para mag-grow na po na next year. So, ayan lang guys. Update. Thanks for watching. Grabe, sobrang init dito ba? At least, nakat na ang grass. namin. Nakat ng grass namin ng kapitbahay namin. Kapitbahay namin yung nagkat Nagbayad lang ako kasi wala si asawa para magkat ng grass. Diyan kami na.